Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on the Shark UltraLight vacuum. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to change the cleaning mode, and these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have the Shark UltraLight vacuum. Now I'll be showing you how to change the cleaning mode with regards to two aspects. The first is a cleaning mode option on the actual unit, and the second is a cleaning mode in terms of like you using it overall in its form factors. So let's go over the first thing, which is the cleaning modes on the actual unit. So as you can see right here, we have a power button to turn it on and off, just like that. And then we have a switch over here that will switch between mode number 1 and mode number 2. And as you can see over here, mode number 1 is bare floor and mode number 2 is carpet. So when it's on mode number 1, it's going to be in bare floor mode, and mode number 2 is going to be in carpet mode. So literally that is how you switch the cleaning modes with regards to the bare floor and carpet cleaning modes. Really easy to do. It's just a flick of a switch right there. And that obviously works when you are in the floor cleaning mode. So basically when it's in like the regular, you got the connected to the base like that, you got the pole connected to the base, and then the actual like motor connected to the pole. Okay, when you're doing that, you can switch between both modes, and I'll show you right now as I switch. Turning it on, I'm switching from mode 1 to mode 2, just like that, and I'm going back to mode 1, just like that. Now, what it does is it essentially speeds up and slows down like the spinner part, the roller. So in one mode it goes a little bit faster, in one mode it goes a little bit slower. I don't know if it does more than that, but to my knowledge, that's basically what I can see. I'm not sure if there's any other differences, but from what I can see, that's the difference that I see as I switch between the modes. So that's the first type of sort of mode to switch between, okay, is the switch, which switches between like the cleaning modes in terms of like bare floor setting or carpet setting. So it switches between the cleaning modes in terms of your settings for using it in this mode over here, okay? Very simple. That's the first aspect. Now, the second aspect that I want to go over is the different cleaning modes in terms of its form factor. So what we have here is this is the sort of the floor mode right here. So you can see right over here, when it's in its full height kind of thing, when you got essentially the base over here, the roller base, the pole, and then the motor all the way at the top over here. This is the floor mode. Very simple, okay? That's the floor mode. So that's one option, okay? Now what we can do is we can disconnect the roller base over here, okay? Just like that. And what we have here is we now have the above floor mode in terms of length. So we have above floor mode. We can use it like this. I can put an attachment. I can go get the tops of things really easily, things that are out of reach. This is the above floor mode in terms of length, okay? That's an option right there. Also, what we have here is when we remove the pole, okay, we have the above floor mode in terms of using like the wand in tight spaces. Okay, lighter weight, a little bit easier to maneuver tighter spaces. I can now access anything that's sort of at my level that I don't need the extra height for. Just like this. So this is above floor mode in terms of like, shorter, in terms of shortness, okay? And easier to use and easier to maneuver and so forth. And then the last mode is actually, I believe it's called the like stairway mode, which is like this. So this is like the stairway mode and like narrow spaces mode. So you want to use the roller, but you want to get into a narrow space, you can use it like this. So look, check this out. I should put the camera downward a little bit, but essentially I have it connected like this, and I can turn it on, and I can use it just like this. If I'm in a tight space, let's say I want to get under the vanity over here. I can use it like this, and I can get right under the vanity. So easy, just like that. Really convenient. So this is like, I think they call it like the stair mode and the narrow space mode, something like that. But this is another option essentially for a clean mode. And that's basically it. Those are the various ways that you can sort of use your Shark UltraLight vacuum in terms of cleaning modes. But yeah, I got nothing else to say, so hopefully you liked the video. If you liked this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.